Alright, so I'm back and I'm going to do the cereal dilution. And you know what dilution is. Cereal is not Cheerios and stuff you have in the morning. Cereal is S-E-R-I-A-L, to show that there's a series of stuff going on. And we're going to make a series across here, and we're going to make a series across here. One of those series for the cereal dilution is with NaCl, the hydrochloric acid, and one is NaOH, the sodium hydroxide, the acid and the base. You'll notice that it says 1.0 molar, and I measured it out a little more precisely than that, so it's 1.00 molar, and I'm fairly sure of that. The next decimal point I'm not so sure of, but this is fairly precisely done, unlike my first step. So what I'm going to do is take this stuff, this 1.0 molar, and put exactly 10 milliliters into here. And it goes to the bottom of the meniscus, remember? The meniscus is the curved surface that is left on top of a liquid due to differing attractions between the particles and the glass and the particles and themselves. So here's my 1.0 molar. Oops, had something in there earlier. It was just distilled water. And I'll put this in here. So now I have a test tube of 1.00 molar hydrochloric acid, because I've done absolutely nothing to it. The next thing I'm going to do is take this, and I'm going to take 1 milliliter out of here and put it in here. There we go, 1 milliliter out of there. Bonk. And I'm going to fill that up to 10 milliliters with this. So it's 1/10 the strength of what it was before. So I've filled that up to 10 milliliters. And now I've got 1 milliliter of 1 molar and 10 milliliters, 9 milliliters to make it up to the 10 of the next one, which is water. And this is now 0.1 molar. And we'll see why that is when we get to the calculations, but that's not going to be now. Right, the next thing I do, now I'll give that a bit of a squirty out. The next thing I'm going to do is exactly the same. And I'm going to take 1 milliliter of this. Oh, that's too much. Well, let's pour that out. Oh, not bad. Need some more. 1 milliliter of this. And as you can guess, I'm going to fill it up to, there we go, fill it up to 10. Oops, better do that first, with distilled water. And I'm going to keep doing that until I get a very, very dilute substance. And this one is now not 1/10 of the original concentration, but this is now 1/100th of the original concentration. And the next one is going to be 1,000th, because I'm going to keep doing that for 4, 5, 6, 7 of these. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the NaOH.